Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Safari and getting syncing ready so your bookmarks and tabs follow you. Open Safari from the dock or press CMD plus space and type Safari. That gets you instantly into a browser. Once open, sign into iCloud and System Settings to keep history and bookmarks synchronized across devices. Make sure your Mac is up to date under Software Update so Safari runs the latest features and security patches. This prevents issues later when you install extensions or enable advanced settings. You now control how Safari behaves while you browse and why those choices matter. Type into the Smart Search field for URLs or searches. Press Return to load. Create tab groups from the sidebar to organize work versus personal tabs, and drag toolbar items to customize quick actions. Enable privacy options in Safari settings to block cross-site tracking and manage website data. That reduces targeted ads and speeds up pages. Once done, test by opening a few sites and checking performance and saved passwords. You finish by adding tools and knowing how to recover if something goes wrong. Browse the App Store or Safari settings to add extensions for password managers or ad blocking. Enable only what you trust to keep speed and security. Save pages with bookmarks or reading list so you can return offline. If pages hang or extensions act up, clear cache from Develop or Settings, disable extensions, restart Safari or the Mac, and confirm your network. This quick triage solves most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.